We stumbled onto the Funko store in Hollywood. It wasn't planned, and it was easily the best surprise of the trip. Free to walk in, air conditioned, and full of giant figurines. Stay with me, and I'll tell you if it's worth it with your littles. If you're new here, I'm Jen, your mom friend with genuine reviews, giving you the know before you go. Fair warning, I'm about to show you what's inside, so if you want to be surprised, just listen to the audio and for the tips. The Funko store sits on Hollywood Boulevard, but in the opposite direction of the main museums, and honestly, store kind of undersells it. It's more of a museum with giant Funkos everywhere and an Instagram opportunity in every corner. Feel free to walk in, free to window shop, and in the heat, the AC definitely earns some points. So here's the caveat. My toddler was scared of a lot of the big figurines. Some were fine, some were absolutely not fine. So if your kid is sensitive to large characters, know that going in. So here are some of the logistics. Yeah, it's stroller friendly. It's toddler friendly. There's a bathroom, but I didn't go in, and now I'm kind of mad at myself because I wonder if the decor is part of the experience. So do me a favor. If you've been inside those bathrooms, tell me in the comments what I missed. I need to know if I have to go back just for a toilet. We walked from our hotel, so I don't know if there's parking on site, but it's on the Hollywood strip, so it's kind of just street parking or parking structures. And I don't know too much about the area because I'm not from there. I hauled my baby on my back in the heat, and I probably won't do that again. I'd bring the stroller. The prices surprised me, though. Funko items were reasonably priced and not tourist hiked. The customizable ones run from $36 for one and $65 for two, plus add-ons if you want them. So just a quick recap for the moms who came for the facts. Yes, it's stroller friendly, toddler friendly, air conditioned. There's a bathroom. Unsure about the changing station. Fairly priced. Not too sure about parking. We walked, so maybe plan to walk. Would I go back? Oh yeah, for sure. The photo ops and the window shopping cost us nothing but our time, and we all had a blast. Me and my husband had a great time looking at all the stuff. Now, here's what I need from you. Send this to your man and ask him to take you guys, because this place is super fun. And if you saved this from a Google search, if this saved you from a Google search, follow along, and I'm doing these so you don't have to guess. Drop a place that you want me to review next, in San Diego or somewhere close by, please, and I'll add it to my list. Again, I'm Jen, your mom friend from Genuine Reviews, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one, guys.